For a make one right increase, you need to pick up this bar which is between your stitches with your left needle going from back to front. I'm first going to lift it up with my right needle to make it a bit easier to access. And then I need to pick it with my left needle from back to front. So that's now on my needle. And then I need to knit through the front of this stitch. So it's a little bit difficult. I like to sort of push my right needle up to give this a bit more room. Create a bit of a gap, and then I can get in a little easier. And I'm just going to knit this. Oh, I've split my stitch a little bit there, but you get the idea. I'm just going to knit another one and do that again. So I'm going to pick up this bar between my stitches. With my left needle I'm going to go from back to front, and then I need to knit through the front of this stitch. Wrap my yarn around, bring it through, and that one's a lot better, so you get the idea.